Hi guys, how are you? Today I tell you about how to earn money on YouTube. So now we go on computer screen. Now we on computer screen. How to earn money from YouTube. How to monetize your YouTube channel. Choose from 32,000 plus tracks and sound effects in 170. Generals in audio library. 150 creators are already making amazing our music. Sign out of free trial today. Flexible monthly plan royalty forever join 170,000 YouTubers. Or several ways you can money on YouTube. Point 1, become a YouTube partner and earn money from ads. Number 2, sell products for or mechanical. Number 3, crowdfund your next creative project. Number 4, let your audience support your work through fan funding. Number 5, license your content to the media. Number 6, work the brands as influence the affiliate. And we can go to computer screen after how to make money on YouTube without millions. So guys, how to make money YouTube effective secret. If you are wondering how to make money on YouTube, look no further. These 6 tried for monetizing your channel and your creative work. Okay, ad revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, but it's not the only way. To honest, the best way. YouTube is half the internet, that's why 1.9 billion users logging every month, but at the same time, 5,000 hours of video are uploaded to the site every minute. So already, article is not going to about easy by Swiss watch the ad revenue from your YouTube views. Read on you 6 ways incomes of your world. Become a YouTube partner. Sell your Mercedes, create sponsored content that get your fans to pay you directly, use crowdfunding and outgoing on off basic, license your content of the media. And now some step by step instruction making money on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube. Become a YouTube partner. First, the YouTube partner program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. AdSense account and getting views. Handle that. Being partner makes a lot easier. YouTube partner have access to multiple income stream. Not just ads but YouTube premium subscription fees and features that fans value directly like super chat channel self. Step 1, start a channel. Don't worry, we have handy guide for this. It's called how to create your YouTube channel. Step 2, make your channel successful enough that it means YouTube partner program requirements. The join program you need minimum 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour in the previous 1 2 month. Step 3, set up an AdSense account. This is simple, just follow YouTube's official guide to AdSense account. Step 4, explore your new monetization features. Each monetization channel directly eligible requires AdSense revenue. You must at least 18-year-old and you are creative content that the advertise friendly. Basically, the less controversial your video, the more YouTube advertise will comfortable running ads on them, that are more money you make. YouTube premium revenue. If your YouTube premium member watches your video, you get a portion of their subscription fee. Channel memberships. In order to sell channel membership to your subscribers, your fans opt in, pay an extra amount. You need to be at least 18 and 30,000 Mercedes self. In order to self march YouTubers, you must at least 18-year-old and super chat payments. If you are want to earn money to ability to pay their message highlighted in your live chats during live streams at live. Submit outgoing revenues at the end of the day. How to make money on YouTube to 2021. Effective It's genuinely possible to make money on YouTube. Do you have enough talent on deliver another hit video? You are generate enough revenue to make living through YouTube. The answer to all the advice question to most probably resolves yes, but wait, aren't you going to complete the thousands of professional musicians, filmmakers, media house, and small business? Your video creator since attention 2 billion login in monthly user on YouTube channel. So guys, also read how to get free YouTube subscribers. Before we look the first limelight way to generate revenue from YouTube. Want to share and import note video. Want to make a living from YouTube? Don't rely on AdSense account. Railing advertising is monetization start given YouTube starts 1.4 million monthly viewers earning that have be income hostly.